A very good morning, students. We will take up our last class today from the chapter Animal Kingdom, and that class is Mammalia, right? So it means from the name, you are clear that what we are going to talk about today. We are going to talk about mammals. Higher, the most advanced class is the mammalia, and the members are also having well developed complex structures. Now, why we call this class as the mammalia? Because the female members, or I will say female animals in this class, they have functional mammary glands, those glands which can produce milk. Now we know that they give rise to offsprings, so to feed, to nourish their young ones, they need some gland to develop to feed them, so the milk is known as the complete diet. So they have functional mammary gland. Now if we talk about limbs, four limbs, or you can say two pairs of limbs, they are observed in the members, and these are pentadactylic. Pentadactylic means how many digits? 5 digits. They can be nails at the tip, there can be claws at the tip, there can be hooves. So as you can see, claws, nails and hooves, they have different structures. Now, exoskeleton, when we talk about, then exoskeleton of the mammals, they have hair. They have hairy structure on the outer side, and here is the characteristic feature of mammals. Presence of hair is characteristic feature of class Mammalia, right? Now endoskeleton, अंदर चलते हैं थोड़ा सा. We are having bony structure. Then I told you about dicondylic skull. Dicondylic skull क्या होता है? जिसमें two occipital lobes, they fit into the vertebral column, and we have well developed neck vertebra, that is known as 7 cervical vertebra. That is the reason we can very easily show our neck movements. 7 cervical vertebra. Second, exclusively feature of mammals. Now either it is giraffe or it is mouse, they both have 7 cervical vertebra. The only difference is giraffe mein ye vertebra will be little long, and in mouse each vertebra will be very tiny, will be very small. These vertebra, they are known as amphiplatin. They are known as एम्फीप्लैटिन. एम्फीप्लैटिन वो स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसके दोनों साइड्स फ्लैट होती हैं. सो दे हैव बोथ दीज साइड्स, दे आर flat. So that is why it is known as amphiplatin. When we talk about digestive system, their teeth, they are of our mammals, they have different kind of teeth with the different shape and different structure. So they are known as heterodont. As well as we are having two sets of teeth. We are having temporary teeth first, and then we are have permanent teeth. So we are diphyodont. On the basis of attachment, the tooth or the teeth, they are thecodont, means socket, जिसको बोलते हैं कि properly developed socket, right? Socket toothed. So these are thecodont. Socket is very well developed. Respiratory system, metanephric kidneys, they are present in us. Metanephric kidneys, we are ureotelic. Now kidneys are metanephric. What do you mean by that? That our kidneys, they develop from the embryonic layer, and that layer is mesoderm, right? So please, it is always better that you have should in your hand there should be a table in which you should mention that which organ is developed from which germ layer. It is very important to make a table to show that this germ layer is giving rise to this particular organ. Like kidney, it is mesodermal in origin, that is metanephric kidney, and we are ureotelic. We cannot afford much loss of water. Nervous system, reptiles, birds, and mammals. They have 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Exclusively features of Mammalia group is presence of corpora quadrigemina, or you can say optic quadrigemina. These are the 4 optic lobes. These are 2 superior, 2 inferior. They are very much responsible for our vision, for our receiving, for our smell, right? These are basically 4 optic lobes which are present very close to mid brain. So optic quadrigemina and corpora quadrigemina, this is the exclusive feature of mammals. Then in mammals, abhi tak we never talked about external ear. Now in mammals, external ear is present, which is your pinna. Corpus callosum, there is a C-shaped structure which connects two cerebral hemispheres, right as well as left cerebral hemispheres, as well as this helps to pass on signal from one place to another. सो अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कॉर्पस कैलोसम बच्चा किसी और क्लास में नहीं मिलने वाला है. इट इज़ ओनली एंड ओनली exclusive feature of your class Mammalia. Quadrigemina, pinna, corpus callosum. These are the special features of exclusive feature of your class Mammalia. Now respiratory system. Respiration definitely is pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration कौन सी होती है बच्चा? Which respiration is through lungs. But diaphragm has been introduced here, so they have diaphragm. Again, very exclusive mammalian character. Reproductive, we are viviparous. See, we give birth to young ones, except prototherians. Prototherians वो होते हैं those lay eggs. So egg laying mammals, they are prototherians. Then there are pouch mammals which are metatherians. Then there is true placental animals, they are eutherians. So we have 3 different groups in the class: prototherians, metatherians एंड यूथेरियंस. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट. जैसे कि कुछ होंगे बहुत ही क्लास में एडवांस्ड होते हैं बच्चे, जो पहले से ही सब कुछ करके रखते हैं. फ्यू होते हैं जो एवरेज होते हैं, एंड फ्यू दे आर इवन बिलो एवरेज. सो सेम यहाँ पे वी हैव 3 different groups: prototherians, metatherians and eutherians. Eutherians are well advanced. They are having true placental mammals. Metatherians, they are pouched animals, and prototherians, they are egg laying animals. So in the egg laying mammals, there is platypus. Platypus is the example. It is called the most weird animal. Platypus is our egg-laying mammal. Anteater. Anteater. This is our again egg-laying mammal. Now skin, because we said that we have our exoskeleton is having hairy type. Skin have two types of glands, sebaceous which secrete oil and sudoriferous which secrete sweat glands. So oil and sweat glands are observed. Heart is again four chambered heart. We can adjust our internal body temperature according to the outer environment. So we are homeotherms. We are warm-blooded animals. And why we call this class Mammalia? Because these members, they have mammary glands or lactiferous glands which are needed to feed young ones, and these are very well developed in female mammals. So that is the reason we are calling it class Mammalia. And one thing remember, whales, they are our mammals. Sharks, they are not mammal. They are cartilaginous fishes. Dolphin, it is a marine mammal, right? So don't get confused with them, that who is mammal, who is a reptile. Okay. How to remember its example? We have taken one mnemonics here. PM, CM ने एम्प्लॉयज़ को बोनस ऑफर किया. फिर से सुनिए. PM, CM ने एम्प्लॉयज़ को बोनस ऑफर किया. PM, CM ने एम्प्लॉयज़ को बोनस ऑफर किया. P is pteropus, flying fox, your bats. Macropus, kangaroo. Camellus, camel. Macaca, monkey. Equus, horse. Balanothera, blue whale. Ornithorhynchus, platypus. Ornithorhynchus is platypus. Pteropus, Macropus, Camellius, Macaca. Equus is horse. Balanothera, blue whale. Ornithorhynchus, that is the platypus. So these are the easy way out for our class Mammalia, and to remember its example. PM, CM ने employees को bonus offer किया, right? So Ornithorhynchus platypus is a egg laying mammal. So this is all about our class mammal, and next I will meet you with the another video from the another chapter.